If the side of a square is increased by 2 centimeters, then the area is increased by 28 square centimeters. Find out the dimensions of the original square. Well, let's say that the side of the original square is x, or x centimeters long, and now if we increase the side by 2, the side of the new square would be x plus 2. And what about the areas? The area of the first square is going to be, let's use another color, x squared. And the area of the new square would be x plus 2. Be careful, we need brackets, a square, because if we don't use the brackets, the square would be just for the number 2. And we know that the difference between these areas is 28, so let's write an equation with that. I can say that the area of the first one add to 28 is going to be the same to the area of the second square. In other case, we can say that to make them equal, I can subtract 28 in this second side, in the right side, and there is a third option, that is using this area, taking away x squared and saying that it's the same as 28. This third option would be like x plus 2 squared, taking away x squared, we would get 28. And in any case, we get to the same solution. In the second step, we operate not this sum, but the square of this binomial, and we're going to get, if you don't remember the formula, you have to multiply the binomial by itself. You are going to get x squared plus 4 times x plus 4. And here you can say that it seems that we're going to solve a quadratic equation, but if you move one of these terms to the other side, or you subtract x squared in both sides, you get to this. That is a linear equation. We move the number or subtract in both sides and we get 24. Here we still have 4x. Then we divide by 4 in both sides and we get 6 equals x. We're dividing by 4. So the side of the original square is 6. We can check the result if we have the time. This area would be 6 squared, so 36. And if we add 2, we would get 68 squared, that is 64 square centimeters. We compare the areas. We see that this area is 28 square centimeters bigger. So the result is correct.